Let's review this product, Chalao, a perfume for women. Chalao Gold. First, let's open this one.
I bought it in the LiDl. So this one.
These are the product. So this is 50 ml, made from Germany, from LiDl, for women. Let's open it and let's look. Wow, the bottle is nice. I like the bottle. Chalao. And let's see also kung mabango ba siya. Tingnan natin kung mabango ba siya. Mabango siya. The color is gold. And the other one, this one, wala siyang silupin. Binili ko siya walang silupin. Yung isa meron. So, they are the same brand. This is Chalao. This is Chalao and this is also Chalao. 50 ml from LiDl. This one is from Germany. So, buksan natin. So, ito. So, blue siya. Blue. 50 ml. 50 ml. For women. Chalao. Tingnan natin kung mabango ba siya. Anong kaibahan? What is the difference? So, mabango din siya. Mabango siya. Lahat sila mabango. Mabango talaga. Hindi ka magkamali kung magbili ka nito. I recommend this one. I recommend this product. This is very nice. And also this one. This is for women. And this one also. Suddenly Glamour, or for women, 50 ml. Also from Germany. They're all from Germany. So, buksan natin. And let's let's see kung ano siya. Kung mabango ba siya or hindi. So, ito siya. Also from LiDl. So, ito siya.
Basa eh.
Oh, ito siya. 50 ml. Maganda ang bottle niya. Tingnan natin. Maganda din ang bottle ng blue. Ang bottle ng blue, maganda din siya. Pero ito din maganda. Maganda ang kanyang bottle. Suddenly Glamour for women. Saan natin dito? Tingnan natin. Wow! Bango siya. Bango din, mabango. Silang lahat mabango. Ganda din siya, oh. I just tried these 3 product. At hindi ako nagkamali kasi mabango silang lahat at maganda yung mga bottle nila like the gold, the blue, and the other one. At saka mura lang talaga siya compare sa mga branded.